Hello. Good evening, my little ones, and good evening, mamas and papas. Are we all set? Are we ready for today's story? Yes. But before we start the story, I just want to talk about all the lovely festivals that we've been celebrating this month, right? We started with Bakri Eid, and then we celebrated Janmashtami and Pateti, which is the Parsi New Year. And today we are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. So I hope you guys are having a lot of fun at home. Of course, the festivities are a little damped, a little here and there, for the elder ones and for the younger ones, but let our spirit not get affected. Yes, so celebrate each and every festival, whether it's through these online sessions and through calls with your loved ones, but continue to do it with the same excitement. And on that note, I'm going to tell you the name of today's story. The name of today's story is Race Around the World. World. All the countries. We live in India. There are different countries. Mama Earth. So we're talking about the world, right? And racing is when you're running. First कौन आएगा? हम भागते हैं ना, हम रेस करते हैं ना, है ना? So this story is about two brothers. Yes. And I think you know these brothers. At least one of them you know. You've heard his name. Should I tell you what his name is? Do you want to meet him? Should I call both the brothers? Yes. This is a story about a race कि first कौन आएगा? Bhago! Between two brothers. The first brother his name is Karthik. Can we say hi to Karthik? Hi, Karthik. Yes, his name is Karthik. Like my name is Aparna, his name is Karthik. And the second brother, like I said, I think you must have seen him somewhere and you definitely know his name. Ta-da! Say hello to Ganesh. Now he was called as Ganu. So I'm going to call him Ganu. Okay? I like calling him Ganu. So Ganu, Ganesh, and Karthik were two brothers. And they lived with their mama and papa just like you live with your mama and papa. Okay? And the name of their mama and papa was Shiv and Parvati. Now, maybe you should very quickly ask mama and papa their names in case you don't know their names. Yes, but their mama papa's name was Shiv and Parvati. Now, Mr. Shiv, Mrs. Parvati, Ganesh, which is Ganu, and Karthik, they all lived together in a place called Kailash, right? Just like I live in Pune, and you guys, some of you live in Bombay, or probably Pune, or probably some other city. Yes, just like that, all these four, this family, lived in a place called Kailash. Okay, I'm going to keep them down for some time. Now, one day, Mama, she called both Ganesh and Karthik. And she told both the brothers that look here. I have a special fruit for both of you. But there's just one fruit. Now, whom do I give this fruit to? Should I give it to Ganesh? Say hi to Ganesh. He's saying hi to all of you. Or should I give it to Karthik? And Karthik is also saying hello to all of you. So say hi to him. Yes. Now, Mama was really confused because Mama loves all her babies, right? Yes, Mama loves all her babies equally. So, Mama was thinking कि अब मैं क्या करूं? अब ये जो fruit है, ये special fruit है, like mango fruit, juicy, yummy fruit. And it's just one. Whom should I give it to? While they were thinking, Shivji, which is Ganesh's and Karthik's papa, he said, look, let's have a race around the world. Let's see who comes first. और जो भी first आएगा उसे हम ये fruit दे देंगे. We'll give this fruit to them. Everybody thought. All four of them thought that okay, we can have a race, Ganesh and Karthik were very, very excited because they loved racing. They used to love running. Don't you like to run? Yes, you love to run, you love to race. Just like that, Ganesh and Karthik also got very excited. So they picked up the phone and they called all their friends up and they said, you know what? We are going to have a friendly race. We're going to have a fun race between me and my brother. Both the brothers called up their friends and they said that, chalo, chalo, you guys also come. We're going to have this race and we are going to see who's going to come first. And whoever comes first, whoever does this race correct. Now, what was the race? They had to not take a round of the garden or probably of a city, but the whole world. They had to take a big round. It was like a marathon race. You know, marathon race is when you're running for a long time, for a long, long, long time, right? So the world, they had to go all around Mama Earth. Hmm. So Ganesh got ready. He started getting ready. He wore his best yellow color t-shirt and Karthik wore his green color t-shirt and a cap and they were ready for the race. Now they came out and they were ready to begin the race. Now both of them wondered that if we have to do this race, हम भाग तो नहीं सकते, we'll get tired because we have to go all around Mama Earth, all around the world, right? It's a long race, it's going to take a long time. So they thought and thought, and both of them had pets. Some of us have pets, right? Some have a fish, some have a dog. Now their pets were special pets. They were not like our pets. We cannot trouble them or we can't sit on them. But their pets were very, very special. They had powers. So Ganesh, he had his friend who was his pet, his friend who was Mr. Mouse. Yes, Mr. Mouse was his friend. And Mr. Mouse told him, don't worry, my dear, dear friend, let's go on the race. I will help you. You can sit on my back and we can go for this race. And Ganesh started thinking that I am so big. And this poor little mouse, my friend, who's helping me, who wants to help me, is so tiny. If I sit on him, क्या होगा? Can't go too far, no? Because it's a long race. Very long race. All around the world. So Ganesh said, let me think. And he started thinking. Till then, Karthik had already called his pet, had already called his friend. And his friend was a bird. Yes, the national bird of India, peacock. The beautiful peacock. And the peacock could fly. So Karthik didn't even think slowly. He was like really fast, lightning thinking. He just took the peacock and he said, I'm going to sit on this peacock and I'm going to fly around the world and I'm going to come first. That's what his plan was. And Ganesh was still thinking. While he was still thinking, all their friends arrived. All their friends came to see the race. Yes, everybody came to see the race. कि who, कौन है वो between Ganesh and Karthik जो first आएगा? And who will get that special, juicy, yummy fruit for going around the world? Now, what was the race? The race was who goes around the world. मम्मा अर्थ का राउंड मार के कौन फर्स्ट आएगा और मम्मा अर्थ तो इतनी बड़ी है सो बिग राइट who's going to come first and who's going to go around mama earth. So both of them stood near the starting line. यह वो starting line ना जब हम रेसिंग करते हैं जब हम भागते हैं तब. So they both stood together like right now they are standing ready to go. And Ganesh was also ready, and Karthik was also ready with his peacock. And as soon as Papa Shiv said, on your mark, get set, 1, 2, 3, go! They both started moving towards the race. Ki who is going to go and come back first? So they both went. They both started the race. Karthik was, he just zoomed out. He just flew away with that peacock because he knew and he was thinking he has to come first. And just a little tiny steps further, Ganesh stopped and he started thinking. He started scratching his head. And he thought, कि पापा ने क्या बोला था? What did Papa say? Papa said, whoever comes first after taking a round around the world. So, my world is my mama papa, who are the most favorite people. Mama papa, right? Whom do you love the most? Yes, my babies, whom do you love the most? I love my mama papa the most, right? The same way, Ganesh also thought that my world, my everything, most important people in the world are my mama and papa. So they are my world. So you know what he did? He was very smart. He used his brain. He started walking around mama and papa. Mama and papa were standing in one place. So Papa Shiv and Mama Parvati both started looking at Ganesh and they said, Arey Ganesh, what are you doing? All his friends started screaming. Everybody screams, no? Everybody says, come on, friend, you have to come first. That way, all the friends started asking Ganesh, कि अरे Ganesh, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? You have to go around the world. But Ganesh was quiet. He didn't say anything. He was just thinking. He started walking around Mama and Papa. What did he tell Mama and Papa? He said, Mama Parvati and Papa Shiv, you stand here. I want to go around you. Mama and Papa both heard. Mama and Papa said, ठीक है, चलो सुन लेते हैं. Let's listen to what Ganesh has to say. And they stood. And very nicely, Ganesh took around his world. That is his mama and papa. And he stood there. He stood there while Karthik was zooming. I told you, he zoomed. He went really fast on his peacock. And he took some time. But by the time, and he knew, Karthik thought कि अरे मैं first आऊंगा. Because he kept looking behind and he could not see Ganesh. So he thought, ha ha ha, मैं तो first आऊंगा. And when he came back, he looked at Ganesh and he was surprised. He looked at Mama Parvati and Papa Shiv and he looked at Ganesh and he was like, what? How did Ganesh even come before me? I didn't even see him running. I didn't even see him coming behind me. So he looked at Ganesh and said, Arey Ganesh, when did you come? And did you complete the race? Did you go around the world? And Ganesh just smiled. Look at him smiling. He just smiled. And he nodded his head. Everybody nod your head. What did he do? He said, yes. मैंने तो race complete कर ली. Now was the time for Mama Parvati to ask that Ganesh, how did you come first? Why are you saying you came first? You didn't even go around. You didn't even start the race. आपने शुरुआत भी नहीं की racing की. तो आप कैसे first आए? Tell me. That is when Ganesh looked at Mama Parvati and looked at Papa Shiv and he said, look Mama and Papa, you said that the race was you have to go around the world. आपका जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है वो क्या है? आपका वर्ल्ड क्या है? मम्मा पापा, मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड. फॉर मी, you, mama and papa, are my world. So when I went around you, I completed the race because I went around my world. Karthik looked at Ganesh and he was shocked. And Mama Parvati started laughing and Papa Shiv started laughing zor se, and they said, my God, Ganesh, you are so smart. Because he did not in a hurry just start running, right? He heard what Papa said. He was listening to what Mama said. And then he did what was right. So he knew that he could not come first if he actually went around the world. But when he said कि उसके मम्मा पापा उसकी दुनिया है, उसकी मम्मा पापा सबसे important है, and they are his world, they had to agree. They didn't say earth, they said world. And that is when Mamma Parvati hugged Ganesh. She hugged Karthik also for all the hard work that Karthik had done. But she hugged Ganesh and she told Ganesh that Ganesh, you're very, very smart. You not just heard what Mama was and Papa was saying, but you also understood. Sometimes हम क्या करते हैं, मम्मा कुछ बोलती है, चलो चलो, take these things, keep it back in your place. We sometimes don't listen, right? Why is she saying that? We don't listen. But Ganesh was very smart. He very carefully listened to what Mama had to say and then he did what was right. And that was such a sweet gesture. Imagine if you go and hug Mama and Papa. Are they not your world? Are they not the most important people in the world? My Mama Papa are. I love my Mama Papa. They are my world. And that's what Ganesh did. Yes, he used his brain. He went around his Mama Papa, which was their world, and he came first. Mama Parvati took that special fruit and she gave it to Ganesh, and Ganesh was very happy. But who was sad? Karthik. Karthik started screaming. Karthik said, "Nahi, this is not right. I came first. I went and won the race." And that is when Papa Shiv said that Karthik, I did not specify, I did not tell you कि आपको पूरे वर्ल्ड की चक्कर काटनी है तो वर्ल्ड कौन सा है. Ganesh used his brain. So I have to give the fruit to him first. Karthik was very upset because he wanted the fruit. In a way, he was right and he got really, really upset. As soon as Ganesh got the fruit, you know what Ganesh did? He went to Karthik, he gave him a nice hug, and he told him that, brother, you're right. You also won, and I also won. I also completed the race, and you also completed the race. So, should we share the fruit? आप आधा खा लो और मैं आधा खा लूंगा. We'll share the fruit. So you also get something and I also get something. And Karthik and Ganesh hugged each other and they shared the fruit, and all their friends and Mama Papa clapped for them. So should we clap for Ganesh? Yes. Wasn't he smart? Did he not use his brain? Yes. He did not just race out. He thought and then he did what he had to do. So remember, next time when Mama or Papa tells you to do something, you have to listen to them. Okay? Yes? Because the most important people in the world are your Mama and Papa. So give a big hug to your Mama and give a big hug to your Papa. Yes? Should we sing for Ganesh? Should we sing for him? There's a special song. Ganesh loves modaks and laddus. He loves to eat modaks and laddus. Laddu khaya hai apne yellow color ka? Ganesh loves it. So should we sing with him? Because it's his day today. Yes? Should we sing for him? Chalo. Sing after me. Okay? I'm going to sing it and then you sing later. Alright? He is Chotu Ganesha. So let's sing for Chotu Ganesha. Chotu Ganesha, Chotu Ganesha. Come on, let's sing it. छोटू गणेशा रहता मस्ती में ये हमेशा. छोटू गणेशा रहता मस्ती में ये हमेशा. लड्डू मोदक खाए गोल, मीठे मीठे इसके बोल. What is it? लड्डू मोदक खाए गोल, मीठे मीठे इसके बोल. छोटू गणेशा रहता मस्ती में ये हमेशा. Yes? So let's say bye-bye to him for now. He's going to stay in some of our houses for some time. Yes? It's always fun to have him around. right? So have fun with him. I hope you have a lovely weekend and I hope you liked the story Race Around the World. So write to me, comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Mindseed Preschool. And have a lovely, lovely weekend. Yes, we'll meet you again next Saturday, same time, with a new story. And we know that some stories are a little difficult to understand for our children. But that's how stories are, right? Yes? So, a little more you listen, the more you understand. So, try to listen to each and every story at least 2 to 3 times. That's the trick. Okay, Mama Papas? All right? So, I'm going to see you guys very, very soon. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.